Make after. To chase or pursue someone or something. Example: the dog made after the cat that ran into the bushes. Make of. To think or understand something about someone or something. Example: I don't know what to make of this new movie, it was so strange. Make up. To create something or invent a story. Example: he made up an excuse for being late. Make out. To understand or see something clearly. Example: I can't make out what he's saying, it's too noisy here. Make up. To forgive someone after an argument. Example: after the argument, they decided to make up and be friends again. Make a scene. To create a loud or dramatic fuss in public. Example: she made a scene when she didn't get the table she wanted. Make out with someone. To kiss someone passionately. Example: they were making out in the corner of the room. Make off. To leave quickly, often to escape. Example: the thief made off before the police arrived. Make off with. To steal something and run away with it. Example: the robbers made off with the expensive jewelry. Make up something. To fabricate or concoct something. Example: she made up a story about being late because of traffic. Make up for. To compensate for something. Example: he bought flowers to make up for forgetting her birthday. Make up to. To try to win someone's favor, usually after offending them. Example: he's been trying to make up to her after missing the party. Make up one's mind. To decide. Example: she finally made up her mind about which college to attend. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.